Real fan with the preacher man. Got an audience out here tonight. Got my friends at the museum behind me. We all gonna catch the Pepsi Cola colored locomotive headed this way. Hope everybody's having a good evening. Here we go. Westbound Sunset Limited. That's all right. Look, there you go. We cut the tower on right here at the museum. See my buddies over there? That's all right. At the museum. Y'all have a good night. That's all right. Hey, that's pretty cool. Y'all cut them lights on just like it was still active. That's all right. I got y'all on video too. That's all right. We holler at y'all. Be blessed. It's all fun, just clean fun. There's my buddy, Mr. Israel, right there. We holler at y'all. Be blessed. Give me the sun.